Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Today's video is on how to download and install MyFitnessPal app on your mobile phone, which is used to count your calorie in your weight loss journey. To do so, follow some simple steps which I will show you guys. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected. Now open your App Store or Play Store and search for MyFitnessPal. You can see the app here, MyFitnessPal Calorie Counter. Click on the download arrow to download it. It might take some time to get downloaded depending upon the internet. Here the app has been downloaded. You can click on the open button to open it and enjoy its features. Click on download to receive notification from MyFitnessPal. Now you can sign up or log in to use MyFitnessPal app for your fitness journey. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon for our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video.